Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my journal, but before I do, I wanted to point something out. So I have this wild thing from Rang Rang that inspired me to do another like leopard print spread, but I forgot how many sticker books from the Happy Planner is actually wild. So we have the wild styled, wild styled 1, wild styled 2. I have a box, like these stickers are from a wild styled Be Happy box. We have modern wild, wild plants, colorful leopard, colorful animal, and wild jungle that has a lot of leopard as well. So here we go. I'm gonna pull out some pages from my journal and we're gonna go ahead and start decorating it. But I just wanted to point out that holy smokes, right? So many leopard stickers. Like, what's up with that? I think at some point all of us were obsessed with leopard. I still a little bit am, probably not as much as I used to be. Anyway, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back, thank you so much. Okay, here we go. What do I want? I think I want my wild style, like the original. That's one of like neutral awesome books that I really love. And then I'm gonna use this Rang, but yes, I pulled up all of these coinciding books and I thought that was so ridiculous. I was like, how did this happen? But I guess it did. So I'm gonna start with some journaling boxes. I'm not even going to pull out Mojo Jojo at this point because I have so many books. If I can't find stuff in here, what are we doing, people? Okay. Plus, I need to start using my Happy Planner books a little bit more. I've been slacking with those and obviously not good. Okay, let me see what I have in here. Yeah. What do I have in here that I want to use? For sure, I want to use this girly, beautiful thing up here. I might want to use this, and what I'm going to do with it is do a daily gratitude list. So I'm going to put one thing that I'm grateful for. I think that might be fun. Okay. Look at all of these girls. So I get 2 pages of this, 2 pages of this, which we're going to use them. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to put, this is so crooked, you guys. Let me see if I can pull it up. And if not, as always, undo to the rescue, right? I think I got it. Okay. It's a mess. I know. Just bear with me. I always make it. To the end somehow. I can put grateful this week. I can put grateful on top of this. I think that might work. Okay. That will do. Let's put hello weekend because I am looking forward to that. Okay. This weekend is going to be lots of work. We're working on a couple things around the house. We have a pretty big party for Memorial Day. So I'm very excited to host, but with hosting comes a lot of work, you guys. Lots and lots of work, which is fine. I love my peeps. I want them here, and that's what's going to make it happen. Okay, however, I do this and like journal in this and look like it's supposed to be there. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of these and place them in here, and then I'm gonna place some girls. Maybe, let's see, what am I doing? These are fun, but no, these are fun. Ooh, big journaling, big journaling. I live for these, you guys. And then I need this pink, like a very bright pink on the other side. I might use this. I like that brown, but no. Oh, pink, where are you? There's that peachy one. Whoa, I might be out of that pink. I need to bring in this pink like right here. Remember, I don't know. I'm gonna play with it until I have a thing. I really don't know. You guys, I so enjoy like writing within boxes. I've been doing that for a while. Like, look at this one. Like, it's so much easier to do it within boxes for me. I love it. Okay, so we have pink. Let's see. I kind of want these like dots, leopard spots here, but I don't know where to get them. So let's see. This one has a little bit of that, but it has gold, which I don't want to introduce. Let's keep looking. It has to be somewhere, right? This kind of does, and then I could put something on top. Okay. Now look in here. See what we have. This is such a old, like, look at this. You see that? That was like the first few foilings they did. It was so much fun. Okay, let's see. It was like the one of those first holographic foilings is what I meant to say. Okay, these are colorful. I don't want to use that. They're lovely, but it's wrong. It's not what I'm looking for. So let me look in here. These are a little too red. Let's look in here. Nope. Maybe in here. It's colorful. What was I thinking? I don't know why they did such a like nude background when this is so colorful. It should be like this, like colorful zebra and everything. So anyway. Back to my original. Oh, this has gray. I should have looked. Okay. So I can layer this like that. And then this looks good so far. I'm gonna add a couple girls, I'm gonna grab the tape runner correction thing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 of these girls up here. So I guess I'll be introducing Brad anyway. So I should have done that. Okay. And then I'm gonna add this one somewhere on this side. Maybe like that. Okay, yeah, that's a little different, right? Let's add this curvy girl as well somewhere. I think she's going to be a great fit somewhere. Like maybe I can put her up here. She looks sassy. Yeah, she does. She has some sass to her for sure. And now I can maybe I can lift this little person up here. Okay, I almost said like let's lift Wanda, because to me, I want to name her Wanda. She looks like a Wanda to me. Do you guys ever have like especially Rang girls that you just see and you're like, oh, I'm gonna name her this, and then you stick with it, or no? Like, I know that Planning with Bumble does it. I don't know if she like, I watch her too much and she put in my head that you should name everything and everyone, or if it's just like one of those things that feel natural to me. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna keep going because there's still stuff. And then these stickers, like I said, they're kind of cool because I didn't need to put any backing on them. Okay, let's put this because that is good. A year from now, you may wish you started today. Uh-huh. Yes, I do. Okay. Then we're gonna add this because I'm nothing without my layers. What else? What else? Can I add this? Let's do the impossible. Such a lovely sticker. I kind of want to stick it like right here. Get busy girl is gonna go like right there. I know I'm like crazy layering right now, so bear with me. It's gonna come together, I promise. No gold. That's the problem. Okay. I can add, what if I added like note to self? And then this was layered with note to self. Let's see, because I think I can add this shape as well. And it's not going to look terrible. But I do need like something red on this side to balance this out, because that's super like eye-catching. Maybe I can add this box with her and then just add top priority right here. Okay. And then when I write in this, you guys, it will come together. You will see. Okay, be true to you. I don't know, like how many things I wanna. It's not the right pink either. Like I wanna stick to those colors because I already added so many other ones. That is gold foiled, so that does not apply. I can add this pink up here for writing. Awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna go back really quick and find few little quotes. Priority might work. This might go right here. I think that works too. Super cute. Okay. Okay, elegance never goes out of style. That's what I want to put. And I don't know necessarily where. I have layered the bits and pieces of everything. Okay, I think I want to put it right there where it kind of landed on its own. Kind of, okay? Kind of. Okay, so we have elegance never goes out of style. I want to bring slightly more black into this. So I'm going to put that priority. And I think I might be done, kind of. Let's see. Okay, I might put another quote up here if I can fit it without like. Okay, I think I'm done with this. What do you guys think? I am kind of loving this spread. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna stick this in. Let me know what you think. But I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.